Welcome to Health Steps 24/7. I'm Chris, your social media pharmacist. In this video, I will be talking about sex and sexual health. This video is part 2 in a series of videos focusing on sex and sexual health. Become a health stepper. Walk more. Count those steps. Enjoy your walk. Subscribe to Health Steps 24/7. Like, comment, and share this video. Questions that will be answered during my sexual health talk in this video are: how long should sex last? How many times per year the average person has sex? Is herpes and cold sore the same thing? Is there a cure for a cold sore? What is genital warts? Is there a cure for genital warts? What is the clap? Is there a cure for the clap? Let's start with the first question. How long should sex last? According to the Journal of Sexual Medicine, the results of a survey conducted among members of the Society for Sex Therapy and Research found that vaginal sex or intercourse that lasts between 7 and 13 minutes is considered desirable. Vaginal sex that lasts between 1 and 2 minutes is considered too short, and vaginal sex that lasts longer than 13 minutes is considered too long. Sex therapists involved in this study believed that vaginal sex or intercourse that lasts between 3 and 13 minutes is considered normal. Therefore, based on this research, couples should aim for a duration of 7 to 13 minutes when having penile vaginal sex. Sex is not only vaginal sex, but can also involve foreplay and other types of sex. Based on research, foreplay should last on average 20 minutes. However, since sex can involve foreplay, vaginal sex, and other types of sex, there is no specific time for how long sex should last. When a couple consent to having sex, they should decide on what type of sex and the length of time they are both comfortable with. Let's go to the next question. How many times per year the average person has sex? Based on research, the average person has sex 103 times per year. Let's go to the next question. Is herpes and cold sore the same thing? The answer to this question is no. Herpes and cold sore are not the same. So, what's the difference between herpes and cold sores? The difference between cold sores and genital herpes is mainly due to the virus that typically causes them. Cold sores are mainly caused by the herpes simplex type 1 virus, while genital herpes is mainly caused by the herpes simplex type 2 virus. Even though both herpes simplex type 1 virus and herpes simplex type 2 virus can cause both genital herpes and cold sores. The herpes simplex type 1 virus mainly causes sores around the mouth and the lips or cold sores, while the herpes simplex type 2 virus mainly causes sores around the genitals or genital area or genital herpes. However, in some cases, the herpes simplex type 1 virus, the virus that mainly causes cold sores, can also cause sores in the genital area. While in some cases, the herpes simplex type 2 virus, the virus that mainly causes genital sores or genital herpes, can also cause sores on the mouth or lips. Therefore, both cold sores and genital herpes can spread from one person to another person by kissing or sexual contact, including vaginal, oral, or anal sex, if one partner has active sores. Let's go to the next question. Is there a cure for herpes? The answer to this question is no. There is currently no cure for herpes. An infection with the herpes simplex type 2 virus is lifelong. However, there are antiviral medications available that can be used to treat the symptoms associated with an herpes infection. These antiviral medications can prevent or shorten herpes outbreaks during the period of time the infected person is using the medication. Daily use of antiviral medication for herpes can decrease the risk of spreading the virus from one person to another person. Let's go to the next question. What are genital warts? Genital warts is a sexually transmitted disease, or STD, caused by the human papilloma virus, abbreviated HPV, that results in swelling or the formation of a small lump on the genital area or genitals. Let's go to the next question. Is there a cure for genital warts? While an outbreak of genital warts can be removed with medication or surgery, there is currently no treatment for the human papilloma virus, which causes genital warts. Therefore, genital warts can return after removal. Because the human papilloma virus remains in the body of an infected person after the removal of genital warts, an infected person can still spread or transmit the human papilloma virus to another person. Let's go to the next question. What is the clap? The clap is another name for gonorrhea. The clap or gonorrhea is a highly infectious, sexually transmitted disease or STD that is caused by bacteria. The clap can cause infections in the genital area, rectum, and throat. The clap or gonorrhea is also known as the drip. Let's go to the last question for this video. Is there a cure for the clap? The answer to this question is yes. The clap or gonorrhea can be cured with the right treatment. If you are prescribed medication for the clap or gonorrhea, it is important that you take all your medication as prescribed by your doctor to cure your clap infection. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Join me next time for more health videos. Bye for now.